Feel that the center has nothing to do with this entire incident. And on one hand, we have the students who say that they have the responsibility to so let's listen in on the two sides of the story. Now this is where the disagreement comes in, and we'll then talk to those who feel that the sentiment is wrong. I would say that this is
Everyone could and we respect every person whatever is feeling on his own view. But if I feel that I still want to use the mall, no matter what happened, because at the end of the day, I'm obliged to come to the nearest mall, which I think it will be right for me to go there. Then if you're gonna stop me, my movement, you are violating my rights. You are violating my rights as a Soweto community member. Board and board is a bonfire. That means I'll have to take an action also, because you will be stopping me. Remember, you are violating my rights.
saying that he's got the right to use the mall as You were very vocal about why you disagree with this gentleman's views.
Well, for me, he's not the only person. He mentioned to me that his grandmother picks up medication from Maponya Mall, of which this is not the only place you can pick up medication from. However, he does not care about what had happened and transpired whether yesterday or today. What I am saying is that the people that are always violating us are inside the mall. Therefore, the mall should be now responsible and liable to facing the consequences that happen. They were there to stop or actually intervene in the problem, but they didn't. So what I'm saying is that I've been in a situation where I was driving with colleagues, people I work with, to come to the mall. And because there was 5 of us in the car, the taxi owned, the people that were there at the rank, I'm not sure whether they were marshals or the taxi drivers, they came to take the passengers out of my car saying they should use public transport. However, these people were not paying me a cent. It was me being a colleague helping other colleagues get from one place to another. So now, how do I then get around and be free if no one is standing up for me?
Mama, would you like to add on to what is being said by Usisi here? You were quite emotional earlier. As yes, not you were quite emotional.
If Rona sign come out, because Mole Ekiarula, but now, how is it so? I never gave a email. So that's why I him that I wish to come to us.
I wish to come but the e-hailers, listen, I didn't need the livelihood that they need to maintain.
Who protected the pool?
Can I say something very fast? The first thing is that when we say we don't want any operation, it doesn't mean we're against the mall or any operation that can take place on the mall. The first thing is to make sure that the dignity of the mall is restored. You understand? If there is any shootings or any violence that is taking place, it means the dignity and the value of the mall is going to go with them. Then the other thing is that what we can encourage the MEC to take, which is the decision, she must suspend the operation of 2 transportation, which is e-hailing and the taxi industry, until they come to the table to find what the solution. You understand? So the other thing that they are mentioning here is that the operation must take place and whatsoever and whatsoever. We understand we have our brothers and sisters who are working here, and what we want to make it very clear as the EFF. The community must hear it today. We know the center manager, including the owners of the shop, are going to say to our sisters who are working for their shops, you have to apply for no payment leave. You understand? They must pay them fully. They didn't decide not to come to work. The situation forced them to not to come to work. You understand? Thank you so much, ma'am.